In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upvote on Reddit. If you're new to Reddit or you've just never really interacted with posts before, upvoting is one of the most basic and important things you can do. It's how you tell Reddit and the rest of the community that you found something helpful, funny, interesting, or worth seeing. The more upvotes a post or comment gets, the more visible it becomes to other users. So learning how to upvote is a small step that has a big impact on what shows up across the site. First, open Reddit on your device. You can do this either in your web browser, like Chrome or Safari, or through the official Reddit app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into your Reddit account, because while you can browse without logging in, you won't be able to interact with posts properly unless you're signed in. Once you're in, navigate to the post you want to upvote. This might be on your home feed, inside a specific community, or on a post someone shared with you. Take a moment to actually look at the content. Upvoting is meant to signal genuine approval or appreciation, so it's best to upvote things you honestly like or find useful. Now, look for the small arrow icons next to the post. On most layouts, you'll see an upward pointing arrow, a number in the middle showing the current score, and a downward pointing arrow below that. On desktop, these are usually on the left side of the post. On mobile, they may appear directly under the post content or on the side, depending on your app layout and theme. To upvote, simply click or tap on the arrow pointing up that appears near or below the post. When your upvote is registered, the arrow usually changes colour, often turning orange or a similar highlight colour, and the score will increase by 1. That visual change lets you know your upvote went through. If you change your mind later, you can click or tap the up arrow again to remove your upvote, or tap the down arrow if you decide you want to downvote instead. That's really all there is to it. By clicking the arrow up below the post, you help surface content you value and make Reddit a more useful place for everyone.